Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the SSID and password so the TV can find it. Check that your data plan allows tethering and you have a solid 4G or 5G signal. Slow cellular causes buffering. Once done, set the hotspot to 2.4 GHz for best compatibility with most smart TVs, and disable VPNs or connection managers on the phone. These can block device discovery and add complexity before you even connect. On the TV, open Network Settings, choose Wi-Fi, and scan until you see your hotspot SSID. Select it and enter the password exactly, because one wrong character prevents pairing. Make sure the TV is within a few meters and free of heavy interference. Walls and other devices degrade signal. If the TV won't accept Wi-Fi, switch the phone to USB tethering or use the phone's cast/mirroring feature as an alternative. These bypass Wi-Fi issues and get content playing quickly. Once connected, test by streaming a short 720p clip to verify consistent playback and acceptable buffering. Lower the streaming quality if you hit data or speed limits. Make sure only necessary devices are connected and set hotspot timeout or device limits to avoid unexpected drains. If things go wrong, restart both devices, toggle the hotspot off and on, and verify the SSID, password, and band. 2.4 versus 5 GHz. That one restart fixes most negotiations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.